Hitachi Zaxis-5 mid-sized excavator has been designed with you in mind. In this new series, we focused on improved performance, comfort, efficiency, and reliability. The Hitachi Zaxis-5 mid-sized excavator has been designed with an enhanced attachment support system. This new system allows 11 different pressure and flow settings to be registered for the easy fitment and change of attachments. The settings for each of the attachment work modes can be controlled and saved electronically through the monitor unit. When used correctly, this pressure adjustment feature protects your attachments. Additionally, there is the ability to register custom names for each of the attachment work mode settings. Maintainability of breaker attachments is made easier with the inclusion of a specific breaker hour meter, which helps target appropriate hydraulic oil and filter replacement intervals. A breaker alarm is also fitted to warn the operator of continuous breaker use. This is also useful for protecting hydraulic components and preventing abnormal wear to your attachments. With value-adding features like these, you can be sure of optimum attachment performance in the new range of Hitachi Zaxis-5 mid-sized excavators.